Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on child lock on MOVA Z60 Ultra. Child lock is a feature that locks the buttons on top of the robot to prevent children from accidentally starting some tasks or doing anything else. That mode can be enabled in two different methods, either by pressing and holding on the home button on top of the robot for like 3 to 5 seconds, or enabled in the app. But to disable it, you can only disable it in the app. Let's click on three dots in the top right corner, then go to more functions and now enable child lock or disable it. Now what is important, it locks buttons, but if it is during a task, you can press on either of the two buttons on top of the robot just to stop the task at any time. So if you click on the home button during the task, when the child lock is on, it won't return to the station, it will just pause the task, and you cannot resume by clicking on the robot. You'll need to resume through the app. That's just for safety, you know. If you need to immediately pause a task, you can do it by clicking on any of the buttons. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.